at the first instance that there is a case against him, so we should not yet accept his certificate of candidacy.
Okay.
I was also the one who said that. It's on record. That's why his lawyer, Secretary Aguirre, my friend, inhibited me. Coco Pimentel was there in the hearing, sitting at the back. Why should I inhibit? Why? Who's scared of you? I did not inhibit. My whole division said there is no ground for inhibition, and we signed all of it. You think you attack one commissioner, you think we will not circle the wagons? You're stupid.
And I think that was a much harder case.
And that's a much harder case.
That's a much harder
And then
case.
it was raffled to me. The president knows that. Raffled to me whether or not Rodrigo Duterte should be disqualified. I wrote that ponencia. I said, no, he cannot be disqualified. Oh, I said, no, he cannot be, he's not disqualified. Again, our decision was unanimous in the first division. When I saw the president in the Mascara in Bacolod, and I introduced myself. I said, Mr. President, Commissioner Rowena Guanzon. He said, kilala kita, ma'am. Tigas ba? Tigas. I was mayor when Mayor Duterte was mayor of Davao. I was mayor of Cadiz. That's how we first met in the League of Cities. Kaya wag niya ako,